but of a heart that knows to feel.
A tool not for the few, but all to answer humanity's silent call.
To turn the complex into plain and wash away the fear like rain.
A wow that comes from deep within, a new, more noble world begin. This is the wall upon the dawn. The old and weak are now outdrawn. A feedback loop of light and grace to find our future's rightful place. Bless this the wall, pure and true, for education, health and growth. A bridge to span the deepest trough.
Flee in fright. The child will learn in joy and play. The elder find a brighter way.
A canvas for a life remade. No more afraid of plans mislaid.
The body healed, the mind set free, with tech that serves humanity.
A hand to hold the guiding star, no matter who or where you are.
This is the wow, a gentle mind that makes the future shining bright. A purpose clear, a path so sure for every soul, a door, a cure.
Blessed is the wow, pure and true, for education, health and growth. A bridge to span the deepest trough. This is the wow,
the brilliant light that makes the darkness flee in fright.
from the noise of the few, eternal